Greetings, friends. MJ here for you. Back at you for the new year, the 20 double deuce. And you know what time it is? Yep, you guessed it. It's time to unbox another pair of Western boots. Can you believe it? Well, I can because I have a pair of Los Altos brown full quill ostrich Western boots. Now, I got these from a cool local store called El Vaquero in El Monte, California. And this is a good sized store that not only has boots, but lots of Western clothes, such as like Wranglers and Levi's, jeans, shirts, belts, leather wallets, hats, buckles, and the whole 9 yards. And they've got men's, women's, kids' sizes. And they have changing rooms in the store too. And what's really cool is that the store has a really nice display of all their boots in like these nice big glass display cases. And each display case is divided by the specific toe types. So you can compare the different toe types of boots, or if you just prefer one toe type of boot, you can just go to that display case and look at the boots that you like. So they make it really easy to view the different types of boots. And so they're very organized. And when you pick your boots, they'll order them for you if they don't have them in stock. You can pick up your boots from the store, or they can be delivered, whichever is more convenient for you. And the prices are very competitive. And you can also sign up with the store and you accrue discount for the prices. And overall, this is a good store for boots and Western wear. I highly recommend it. Now, these are the Los Altos boots that are hecho en Mexico, or made in Mexico. And let's get to this unboxing. Off with the top here. And take out this boot. And each boot has its own plastic wrapping package. And I'll just show you this real quick. Each plastic wrapping package for each boot has a Los Altos logo all over the place. So they're pretty serious about their branding and getting their name out when they deliver boots. Inside the boot is a shaft protector. Oh, okay, and I'll show you this too. Here's the shaft protector in the boot. And, it's just a little cardboard, not too heavy duty or anything, but once again, they're going all out on their logo. Los Altos boots, handcrafted boots, and they've got their logo, Goodyear welt here as well. So they're really getting their name out there in the materials that they deliver. And the boot also has, yes, plastic tissue in the bottom. I'll put this here. And let's unwrap the other boot. There we go. Plastic wrapping, shaft protector, and it's got tissue at the bottom as well. And here we go. Wow. These look really nice. This is really good looking. I like this rich chocolate brown on both the shaft and the lower part of the boot. It looks really, really nice. This dark on dark combination has a nice, I'd say like a formal look, like very regal, dressy. Yeah, definitely. This boot is a dressy type of boot for sure. This ostrich is shaking its tail feathers at you for sure. Check these out. Okay, once again, since I just unboxed these and took them out of their packaging, I can smell the leather. And let's give these a smell. Love it, love it. Love that smell of leather. Now let's get into the vamp. Let's take a look at this, give you a little close up here. And we've got, like I said, this nice chocolate brown, one piece, full. And yes, it's soft, nice. That's a good sign. It's soft. And, you know, I can feel the quills here, and some are a little tougher, some are a little softer, some are a little lower and smoother. But they give the leather like a nice texture to the boot. So you can see they give it a nice depth, basically, when you look at them and when you feel them too. It's a really nice feel. And yes, it's a nice soft touch to it. Going right into the counter. Cool. This is cool because it's one piece. I've seen boots that have the multi-piece counter stitched, and I think the one piece looks nicer. Just gives it a nice continuity, cleaner look. And same with the quills here as on the vamp. Some are a little rougher, some are a little softer, some are a little smoother. But yeah, it's firm. It's a good firm vamp, or counter, I mean. Now they'll take a look at the shaft. Wow, this is like what I really like, this nice chocolate brown. Nice chocolate brown. And, you know, it's got the traditional Los Altos stitching. It's kind of like their signature design on the shaft. It's got the different threads. They're kind of like tan and brown threads here in the stitching. And I think it looks really nice. They definitely goes well. It's a nice little contrast, but there's still brown stitching in here that looks dark. Looks nice. And the shaft it's firm. It's not like falling over already. The leather's too soft. No, it's good. And here we have pull straps. Nice. Ooh, they're nice and soft too. Functional. Yeah. Oh yeah, these are nice and soft. And here you can see a little bit of the brown chocolate ostrich inlay in the pull strap. Let's see if it's got the other side. Okay, now this side doesn't have the ostrich inlay, but wow, these pull straps are really nice and soft. And okay, here you can see, a little hard to see, but it's the Los Altos logo once again embossed here on the pull strap. And let's see if it's on the other side as well. Oh yes, it's on this side as well with the ostrich inlay. Brown piping, leather piping, straight down top to bottom. Looks really nice. It's that dark chocolate brown, so it all meshes together. And so there's not really a contrast. It's all melding together, but it looks really nice. Like I said, it's kind of that nice dressy look. Keeping that dark on dark theme, which really is the signature of this boot. Now, why don't we take a look inside? Okay, once inside, oh, these are soft. Yeah, very nice. It's soft. It's got the calf lining. Los Altos logo, once again. And then there's an ostrich there, so you know it says it's ostrich. It says genuine ostrich, so you know what type of leather you're dealing with. And Los Altos logo in the heel. And I'll feel, oh yeah, this cushion is firm. It's not too giving, but it feels nice. It feels good inside. Yeah, this will be good. And let's take a look at the sole. Got the leather sole, and I like. Oh, this is nice too. I know they dye it, but it's brown and dark to keep with that dark on dark theme. Leather again, and there's an ostrich, genuine ostrich right here in the sole. USA flag, and we've got the brass pegs here on the side, and I believe the ones on the inside are the wooden pegs. And we've got the heel cap in color, Los Altos boots, the finest boot. And I'll find out how fine these boots are when I start to wear them. Definitely like it. But yeah, this is the rubber heel cap. And once again, the stacked leather heel. Yeah, feels really nice. And also, this boot has its specification tag, and it has leather piping, cow pull strap, cowskin shaft, smooth cowskin lining, leather heel counter, stacked leather heel, steel shank, brass pegging, leather heel pad, I think it's supposed to be leather heel pad, Goodyear welt, 10 iron leather outsole. And there's your logo, Los Altos boots, handcrafted boots. And once again, overall, looks-wise, this boot has a nice formal dressy look to it. Nice and classy. This chocolate brown on brown looks really, really nice. And dark brown can go with almost anything you wear and look good. The ostrich is soft, and I'm sure they're probably going to feel comfortable. God, when you wear these boots, you're going to feel like a king for sure. I can't wait to wear these. Now, let's put them next to each other so you can get a look at how they would look when you're wearing them, or just together. And once again, oh, here we go. We have the little Los Altos badge here as well. So Los Altos is all over the place on these boots. And look how nice these look. I mean, yes, these are a dressy, formal, regal-looking pair of boots. I mean, this chocolate brown is really, really nice looking. And I'll put this like right here so you can get a kind of an opposite look. Here we go, side by side, and coming at you that way. So yeah, I mean, these look really nice. Okay, I am going to sign off now. If you have any questions or comments, please share them. And thank you for watching my video.